how to buy Apertum token. So this token came under the symbol of APTM. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to in crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token is available on CoinGecko. To be able to buy this token, click on markets here and you will be able to find these two exchange platforms. Now select one of these that you have an account on it, and if you don't have an account on one of these, go and create an account for one of these exchange platforms. Now first of all, or for example, you have an account on Elbank, click on this pair next to it. Now make sure to log into your account before going on buy this token, and make sure to fund your account with some USDT to buy this token. Now after that, click on buy, select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token here, as you can see. Now after that, you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that USDT using that USDT on your account. Now click on buy APTM. Now if you select the market option, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy APTM token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.